Prince Harry has threatened the British government with legal action after they denied him and his family police protection in the UK, which he was willing to pay for. The Duke of Sussex wants to bring his son Archie and daughter Lilibet to visit from the US, but he says he and his family are unable to return home because it's just too dangerous. Comes after an incident in London last year when his security was chased by paparazzi after leaving a charity event.
Joining us now is Sunrise Royal editor Rob Jobson. Morning to you. Why has this happened? If Harry's offering to foot the bill, then on what grounds has his request been denied?
Well, who would be the Queen, ain't that? After all that's been going on. Look, the Scotland Yard isn't for sale. You can't just go and buy a load of police officers, and even if you're Prince Harry and you got your Netflix millions. The fact is that has to be allocated by the Commissioner of Police, and you have to be seen as worthy of receiving it. When he decided to up sticks, go to California, his father warned him quite clearly he'd lose his protection. That's what happened, and he had to eventually fund it for himself. So he can't. The best solution to this is what others have done in the past. You can't go and buy a policeman. But what he could do is go and hire a couple of ex-Royalty Protection Squad officers, like Prince Charles did for Camilla before they married. And they know the game, they know the score, they know how to liaise with all the other people. It's not hard. I think he's. I don't quite know why he's doing it, but he's just causing a little bit of kerfuffle yet again.
Yeah, because I thought he was, I must admit, a bit hard done by him. People were being a bit churlish. He offered to pay for it, and he said his US security doesn't get access to the British intelligence, police intelligence of possible threats. And I thought, well, that's pretty reasonable. Why is he being knocked back?
Well, I mean, it comes back to the fact that you've left the fold already, Koshi. The fact is, you can't start accessing British intelligence the way, just because he thinks it suits him, further down the line in terms of the reign, and he's given up in a working world. The most he could expect is to go and hire some ex-bodyguards. Right. He cannot expect, if you and I, if I was the richest man in the world, I can't go up to the Commissioner of Police and say, I'm coming to England, I'd like to buy 15 of your armed policemen. It just doesn't happen like that. It's right. You have to be on a list. You have to be allocated that. Now, it may now come down to the fact that the Queen may and the Commissioner may liaise and say, look, when he's over here, can we do that? And they may well do it, but it's a bit heavy-handed to go in there with a court order. It just seems totally over the top to me.
Right. Yeah. Okay. That puts it in perspective.
Yeah, he can hire his own. And I'm sure if there's a major threat, they'd call.
Yeah.